Hi everyone, in this lecture we will prepare our environment. But as we know that HTML is a markup language, so you can use any kind of text editor, even Notepad in Windows, TextEdit in Mac, and LeafPad of Ubuntu. But for the sake of this course, I think all of us should stick to one editor, and I'll recommend to download VS Code, and the reason is that it is available for Windows, Mac, and Linux. So let's download VS Code. Just go to this code.visualstudio.com, and here you will find such type of interface. It will automatically select your platform. As you can see, for me it's Windows, but if you are using Mac or Linux, just click on this drop down menu and select your respective platform. And after downloading VS Code, simply click on the installer, click next, and this will install your VS Code. After installing VS Code, just open it, and it is possible that your interface might be different, but don't worry. First of all, we need an extension. So just go to this extension tab, click here, and search here for live server. Okay, and then click on this live server and just install it. Okay, basically this live server allow us to host our files, HTML files, CSS files, and JavaScript files on our local host. So in the future, when you upload your files to a server, you will not face any kind of technical issues. So after installing live server, just click on the file and just open folder. Okay, and just go to your directory where you want to create a folder. I will create here in the document. So let's right click, new, and folder, and I will name it HTML tutorials. Okay, hit enter, just select this folder, and yes, I trust the author, and yeah, it has opened our HTML tutorial folder right here. And now let's create our first HTML file. So you can create your HTML file by clicking here, or you can create your HTML file by clicking right here after opening this folder. Okay, so let's click on this arrow first, and then just click on this icon and just name your HTML. So I will say .html. So make sure that you should end with .html extension. Okay, and hit enter, and then let's type here something like hello world. Okay, hello world, let's save it. And then once you have a live server, you will see right here in this bottom right corner, go live. So let's click on this go live, and it is starting. And yeah, we got here hello world. So you have written your first hello world program in HTML, but this method is not recommended because you have not used any kind of HTML tag. But yeah, you have got an idea how HTML work. And in the next lecture, we will talk about a basic HTML structure, and I'll see you there. Bye bye.